uh, the power sup- the original power supply was dead, so that I get another PC power supply, old-fashioned PC power supply to be the substitution. And because the original hard drive that she get 400 megabytes, uh, we don't know that what happened to it, but that it is not easy to reinstall the new operating system, and we try to reinstall it with the 7.5.3 traditional Chinese version operating system, system 7. Okay, and monitor is still works. This one is very good as they told me that it was made by Sony. Oh, and I still keep the mouse. However, the keyboard, ADB keyboard is dead. So I try to get uh, another one or substitution. All right, and I just rewired it, the power supply, and see that how it works. Okay, it's powered up. So far, we just have the mouse. Uh, I put it by this quantum SCSI hard drive. Uh, oh, it works. Well, this is CRT monitor looks very good. The color is good, I think. All right. Mm, yeah, it put up. However, that I think that the battery, that the timer's battery is dead too, so I should replace one. Um, but yeah, it looks everything's fine, and we are able to. There's different kinds of the ammo, like memo, uh, like our note. All right, and we don't need it. We don't need a memo too. So uh, and operating system, we reinstalled it. That is a no text, nothing. Basically, his hard drive is empty, and we still have a 751.8 megabytes is available. Yeah, it looks good. Thanks.